Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to create a folder as you type in Microsoft Excel. So first you will need to create a folder in order to save all these folders inside. So I've created a new folder in my desktop. I will go ahead and search for Excel and I will open it. So after you open it, you will need to create a new workbook like that. I will save it in the folder that I created earlier in the desktop, and I will save it as Excel macro enabled workbook, which is XLSM. So here we have our Excel. So you can see I have saved this on in the folder that I created earlier. You just need to click on the sheet here at the bottom of the page and go to view code in this drop menu. It will open this dialog box. Now you will need to paste a code. This is the code you will be needing. So I will provide this code in the description below. Do check it out. And if I close this and if I write something here in the A column, then I will minimize this, and as you can see I have created a folder inside the folder that I created earlier in the desktop. And this is how you create new folders as you type in Excel. So you just need this code to your XLM file and you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.